In this video, we're going to run through the SUMIF function. SUMIF is a really useful function that allows you to add up values based on a criteria that you specify. So rather than summing everything that's in a list, you can get more granular and only sum the items that you're interested in. So let's get started and look at the data. So we've got a list of items here. They're different products that are in a store, different merchandise items, and this is their colour, and then we've also got their quantity down here. So for example, we've got 392 red key rings, 100 green t-shirts, etc. So let's say we wanted to add up the total amount of pencils, and to do that you can use a SUMIF formula. So equals SUMIF. Now first of all you have to specify the range. Now the range is where the item labels will be. So if we're interested in pencil, we need to refer to column A, where all of the different items are listed, and then we move on to the criteria. Now we've got pencil just typed out here. We could equally write it in like this, but we're just going to click on that cell instead. So I select that cell, and that's our criteria. So it's going to look through this list and find pencil. Now lastly, you need to specify the sum range, and this is simply where the numerical values are that will be added up. So we just highlight these cells here where the quantity list is, and then hit enter, and then we get 669. So what has that function done? Well, it's identified these three cells here, and it's found these three values here, and it's added them up. And if we just check there, equals sum, just check those three cells, we get 669, it's 669. So that's what it's doing, and that's the SUMIF function. You could change this, change pencil to keyring for example, and then we get 392, and the reason is because there's only one row that's got key rings on, it's 392, there's nowhere else that's being summed up in this list, and that's how the SUMIF function works. So it's a great one to understand and a really useful one to have in your toolkit. Thanks for watching this video. If you found it useful, don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.